This is a quick video update on the alternator I was going to use for the hit and miss engine battery backup. I did end up purchasing this alternator as I originally stated, and upon disassembling it, it just was not going to meet my needs. The build quality was very poor. Everything is internal into it, and I did check the field coil wire on that there, which was about 0.04, which gave me a max current input of 2.3 amps. So even with trying to put more amperage or voltage into the field coil, this was just not going to fit the needs that I wanted to do. It was a $40 alternator with the core. Without a core, it would be $80 total. So luckily I did get my full refund on that, and with that I decided to go ahead and go with this one here. This is a 200 amp alternator. This is the build quality of this compared to the other one is just night and day. The bearing on this is 3 times the size as what the other one was. This is going to meet the needs of what I need to do, plus everything is external to it, so disassembling this and going to an external rectifier is going to be a lot easier. Also the mounting, this is more of the mounting that I wanted to use, and along with that it even came with a good test sheet on this. They ran it at different RPMs here. For example, like 6,000 was 247 amps. So I have a good benchmark here to kind of compare to when I go to test of the amperage output. Also, I will check the fuel coil wire on this here to see again if I can put more amps or voltage into the fuel coil on the rotor and see what output I can get on that. So this will be the next video, will be the disassembling of this here and getting this set up for the bench testing. So until then, that's it for this video.